Hey, fellow professionals. Ever feel like you're stuck in a career rut? Let's shake things up with a little cosmic intervention. Introducing the 5 Sacred Career Goals exercise, a powerful technique to align your career aspirations with the universe's energy. Here's what you do. Take a quiet moment today to ask yourself, what does my soul truly desire for my career? The 5 Sacred Goals represent the deepest desires of your soul for your career. These goals are not just about material success, but also about fulfillment, growth, and contribution. The first goal is fulfillment. What would truly fulfill you in your career? The second is growth. How do you want to grow and evolve professionally? The third is contribution. How do you want to contribute to the world through your work? The fourth is connection. How do you want to connect with others in your career? And the fifth is abundance. What kind of abundance do you want to experience in your career? Join us at the workshop to learn how to manifest your career aspirations effortlessly. Discover how to turn your career dreams into reality with the universe as your ally.